Hey, this is Rito. In this video, I'm quickly going to show you how you can use our WP text-to-speech plugin on your own WordPress site. It's actually pretty cool, so let's jump right in. You hit the button here, and now, you can start speaking, and the system recognizes whatever you are saying, period. You get the best results, if you speak clearly into the microphone, and make sure that you don't have any background noise, period. So once you're done, you hit the stop button here, and let's say you don't want to use the text that you just spoke here within WordPress. You can also use it in any different medium. You can, copy and paste it into a Word document or into an email. It doesn't really matter, whatever you want to do. But you can see it's quite accurate in terms of what I've said. Obviously, you have to edit here and there a couple of things, but in general, it's really quite accurate. And the best part about it is it works in any language. I'm not a native English speaker, but it pretty much recognized what I was trying to say here. But I could also change that to any language like German or French or Dutch or whatever language you prefer speaking here. If you have any questions about the plugin, please let us know. We're happy to help you out. And otherwise, you're welcome. And hopefully this is going to help you to create content for your website much faster, and with the time that you save, you can work on your business. So thanks again, take care, bye-bye.